Welcome to our video on mastering basic word processing skills. We'll guide you through essential functions like text creation, formatting, and editing, making document creation accessible and straightforward for everyone. To start, opening a new document is simple. You can begin with a blank page or edit an existing file. For instance, open Microsoft Word to draft a letter or any document you need. Typing and editing text are fundamental skills. You can input text, delete, or replace words easily. Imagine typing a paragraph and using the backspace key to correct any typos you encounter. Saving your document is crucial. You can save your work in formats like .docs or PDF. For example, save a report as a Word document to ensure your work is preserved and accessible. Basic formatting tools enhance your document's appearance. You can change font style, size, and alignment. Highlight a heading and increase its font size to make it stand out. Copy, cut, and paste are essential editing commands. They allow you to move or duplicate text within your document. For instance, cut a sentence from one paragraph and paste it into another seamlessly. Printing documents is straightforward with word processors. Customize your settings and print with ease. Imagine printing a 2-page letter with just one click, ready to be shared or mailed. In conclusion, mastering basic word processor functions like typing, editing, and saving is vital. These skills help create well-structured and formatted documents, making your work efficient and professional. Thank you for watching.